We are making overnight oats for tomorrow morning, obviously, and it's gonna be ready to grab and go. My name is Marie-France Garon. You are on Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. Very simple to do. You prepare this at night and it's ready in the morning. I'm using a mason jar, the one we use for canning, for a couple of reasons. It's the right size, it's easy, and it seals really properly. If you want to just grab that and go and take it to work tomorrow morning, that's going to be easy and perfect because that never leaks. So we're using rolled oats, but not the quick one or the 1 minute one. It's just the regular rolled oats, and it's not gonna cook. It's just gonna soak all night inside our fridge. So I have half a cup of oats here already, and to this we're gonna add half a cup of almond milk. You can use another milk if you prefer. I use the unsweetened almond milk, and I put some stevia for sweetener. So half a cup of almond milk. So we're gonna add some yogurt, some Greek plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 big tablespoons here. Leave the spoon in there because we're gonna stir in a minute. I'm gonna add the stevia. We're gonna put just about 1 teaspoon of stevia for sweetener. Stevia is always my first choice for sweetener because it's got 0 calorie, no carb, and it's natural, it's from a plant, it's healthy, and I love this. You can use maple syrup, which is very delicious of course, or honey in this recipe if you prefer. I choose the stevia because of the 0 calorie. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds as well. Now the chia seeds also will swell in the night, so it's gonna be really thick in the morning. Next we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla, and a little pinch of salt as well. And it's ready. We're gonna just mix this all together. All right, we just put our top on and we can shake it up a little bit more and just let it sit in the fridge overnight. It's gonna be ready in the morning. So here we have 4 jars of overnight oats ready already, and we can add some little topping to it to make it whatever we like. Now I've got some suggestions here, but you can think of anything that you really would like to add on top and just go ahead and try it. I'm sure it's going to be delicious as well. So we have one here that we can make with our beautiful slices of peaches. So we just cut some peaches in our jar, just put it like this, and we can add of course whatever else we like here together. So here there's some peaches, and I'm just gonna pinch a little bit of sliced almond on top of that too as well. So we have peaches and almond on top here. It's gonna be delicious. You can go and enjoy it immediately, or you can just put it back into the fridge and grab it when you're ready, or take it to work, ready to go. And you just eat it from the jar with your spoon. So one is ready. What else are we gonna make for the next one? Here I have some beautiful apple sauce that Mom made for us the other day, and it's just made from fresh apple, a little bit of stevia for sweetener here. So we're gonna put a good spoonful or 2 of applesauce here, and then we're gonna make it like an apple pie. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon here, to the jar, and a little bit of nutmeg as well. It's always lovely with the apple. And we can add a bit of walnut here as well, and it's ready to go and delicious. Smells beautiful. It's like an apple pie, really. Now I have some banana, half a banana. First I'd like to add cinnamon because we're gonna make it a little bit like your banana bread. So we're gonna put banana, cinnamon, and we can put a little bit of sultanos here and some walnuts. So this is full of goodness. Ooh, how is that? What a breakfast. I can't wait to have this. It's delicious. So for our last one, we're gonna add a little bit more yogurt. There was already some yogurt in it overnight, but we're just gonna have 1 tablespoon of yogurt. We're gonna add some blueberries here on top, and we're gonna add a little pinch of coconut, grated coconut unsweetened, and it's just gonna go on top like this. Very nice. Blueberry and coconut, delicious and healthy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the little bell so you will be notified every time there's a new recipe. So we have 4 overnight oats ready. We can just put back the top on and leave it in the fridge like this. It's ready to go now. You can grab it and go to work or just whenever you're ready. So we have a blueberry with coconut flakes on top. We have a banana and sultanos and walnut here. It's delicious. We have one with the peach and almond. And then we have one that's got a beautiful applesauce with cinnamon and nutmeg and walnut as well. So, but you can make this whatever you like. Strawberry is good, kiwi is a great idea. Any other nuts that you like as well, you make this whatever you like. It's beautiful, easy to make, ready to go. Bon appetit!